is the attitude of universe. It represents nothing. It represents everything. And I represent black when existing elementarily. I am only 1/10,000,000th of a centimeter. You can't see me at all, but you must have seen this. When a mass of me converge, you see me everywhere. Together, let's change the world. Black can also shine in sunlight, no longer hide. Remember our name, special pigment carbon black. We appear everywhere in the world. We are from China. We used to be Black Diamond. We are now Black Cat.